Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my old videos. I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut shrimp. I really hope you like it. It's really easy and delicious. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to mix the coconut milk with 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix well, and then we're going to add in 1 egg. Stir until everything is well combined, and then season this with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of crushed red pepper. Stir once again until everything is well seasoned, and then just set it aside for a minute. Now in another bowl, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of dry breadcrumbs. We're going to mix this with half a cup of dry coconut. Mix well until combined, and then just set it aside. Now we're going to season the flour with the rest of the salt, the rest of the black pepper, and the rest of the crushed red pepper. Mix well until well combined, and then just set it aside for a little bit. Over here I have the shrimp, and the shrimp is already cleaned, peeled, and deveined. Now we're going to cover the shrimp with the flour mixture, and then tap it a little bit to remove the excess flour. And then we're going to transfer the shrimp to the milk mixture. Now we're going to cover the shrimp with the milk mixture really well. Then we're going to tap it again to remove the excess milk. And then we're going to transfer the shrimp to the breadcrumbs mixture. We're going to cover the shrimp with the breadcrumbs on all sides. You can press it down to make sure the coconut is also sticking to the shrimp. And then we're just going to keep on repeating these steps until you have all the shrimp well coated with the breadcrumbs and the coconut. Once you have all the shrimp done, we're going to refrigerate them for about 10 minutes before frying them. Now preheat plenty of oil to a temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to fry the shrimp in batches for about 2 or 3 minutes, or until the shrimp is golden brown and cooked. The shrimp will cook really fast. It will only take about 2 or 3 minutes. So this is how it looks once the shrimp is nice and golden brown. Remove it from the oil, and we're going to drain it on paper towels to remove the excess oil, and just keep on frying the rest of the shrimp. Here I have the first batch. We're going to season it with black pepper and crushed red pepper. And that's it. Just keep on repeating these steps until you're done. And that's about it. This shrimp is so delicious and is really easy to make. I really recommend it. I hope you like them. You can serve them with your favorite sauce. It can be your favorite hot sauce or your favorite barbecue sauce, and they are really great. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.